Hello guys. So today it's about Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin. I normally don't analyze meme coins. I mean, yeah, it's a meme coin. They reflect Elliott Wave patterns as well, but it's not my full interest. But Dogecoin, I mean, it's Dogecoin. It's the most successful meme coin out there, and it's on the top 10. Yeah, it's on the top 10 of market cap of cryptocurrency. So why not? So what's interesting about Dogecoin is that it's performing a well-defined triangle. At the moment, I don't have proof that it's otherwise that. I mean, if you look on the weekly time frame, I'm going to show you the weekly time frame, my full count. This is, for me, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and now we are making a sideways action for wave 4. So yeah, if you put the channel lines on this impulse wave for Dogecoin, we'll see that here, connecting the start of wave 1 to wave 2 and then to the end of wave 3, we can closely predict the end of wave 4. And yeah, we are close to that. I mean, this is the weekly time frame, of course, it's not like tomorrow, but yeah, we probably finishing wave C, and then we have wave D, and then E probably stops around here, and then yeah, we go up from here to the wave 5. Now, just one quick thing that if you didn't notice, I'm just gonna tell you, yeah, this wave 1 probably doesn't have the perfect 5 wave structure. Why is that? Because here, yeah, this if you count the waves, it does not make a clear 5. Why? I mean, kind of ignoring it, yes, because in the beginning the participation is not well. So the patterns in Elliott Wave, they are better reflect when participation is high. So otherwise you have like very distorted patterns. So that's why I'm ignoring this. I mean, not completely, but imagine that, well, probably this is like a weird diagonal. So this is like ABC for 1, then 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter. The thing is, when you look to the wider outcome, what do you see? You clearly see that this pullback is way larger than the other ones. So this must be like 1, 2. Are you counting like this like a ABC? Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can. You actually can. And this is like a B wave triangle or X, wherever. And then we still go up from here in a corrective manner. Yes, but it doesn't matter at the moment. That's the thing. You have to only worry about that in the future if you start to see weird things like this level is expected, but it's not going there. Why Dogecoin is not going there? Okay, maybe this is different here. We have to make an alternative count. But at the moment, the thesis is clear. This is a triangle. We expect a thrust out of the triangle, and this is clearly bullish. Not exactly now, but for the future. So going to the daily time frame that we were before, this is the red line. So this is the triangle invalidation line, meaning that if price action goes below this, we actually count this as a flat, meaning that's 3 waves, and this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not finished yet. That's why we still need proof. We have cautions. We have to be cautious about this. Triangles, they morph a lot. We expect triangles and then actually it's a flat. Actually, in Elliott Wave, you have to expect first a flat and then you switch to the triangle when you have evidence of that. Yes, that's the main thesis. For now, I just believe it's a triangle for the way it is developing, but this is not 100% sure. that the thing is, it doesn't matter very well. It's just that the levels here, down here, they change. But once we touch this, once we go down here, we expect higher. For wave D or wave 1, doesn't matter. Pull back in wave 2 or wave E to finish the triangle, and then we go up from here. So for a little bit close up, yeah, current main trend is down, yes, because this could be a wave A, B, and then A, B, C for 1, 2. I consider this 2 because it's a way larger pullback than this one's here, and normally wave 1 is the most extended. So wave 3, we expect wave 4, and then to finish the last drop in wave 5 to finish wave C of the triangle 4. It should be here. Anyway, yeah, about levels, about future levels. So levels to expect for this triangle, if we measure the wider part of the triangle around here, and yeah, so something like that. We have to, of course, adjust this. I just like to put it on the chart already just to have like some kind of visual prediction, but at the moment it's not very precise. Just take this in consideration. But the thing is, if we measure the wider part of the triangle and imagine that it somewhere ends around here, we can expect that the equality for the high, the widest part of the triangle, the minimum target is around $1 and let's say 79. $1.79 for Dogecoin. We are now at, yeah, we are 7 cents. 7 cents. So expect this to be a triangle. We have to monitor Dogecoin very closely, but at the moment this aligns with other cryptocurrencies that is finishing corrections, and probably more like with Ethereum's, but Ethereum is not so clear because it doesn't have this huge clear movement. Price action is very sharp. In Ethereum is more like it's not so long. That's why there's more doubt. Still could be a triangle, but we clearly have overlap with wave A, wave A of 4 and wave 1. Here we don't have overlap, so it's perfect. It's perfect. So yeah, that's all for Dogecoin, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.